Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist today with another daily update on Verasity. As always, please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below and all that good stuff. Do it for Billy. Today he has got curly hair. And with that being said, we're just going to get into the video. So thank you very much for joining me as always. So taking a look at the charts here, then you can see that basically Verasity just working its way up through the Fibonacci levels here. You can see, obviously, as always, I've got my Fibonacci level pulled from the height of the bull market down to the current low of this bear market. You can see we got up to around 8.5 cents there. A very, very nice all-time high, probably around 11 or 12x from the current price. Still very, very much down from the all-time high for Verasity, but you can see, obviously, the picture that we are painting here that I have been looking at for a long, long time now. You can see, obviously, we've got this big channel that we're working our way up in, which is obviously giving us some indication, along with our Fibonacci extensions, of some of the price targets we could reach for Verasity in the next bull market. I don't think 10x from the previous all-time high is that ridiculous, to be honest, which would obviously take us up towards 85 cents and around that 161 Fibonacci extension up here, which they do regularly get hit in bull markets for a lot of cryptocurrencies, don't they? But you can see overall what we're doing here. We just had a little consolidation previous bear market, massive rip in the previous bull market here. Obviously you got your massive rip, come back, overextension, then you've got your bear market here. You come down, we're starting to consolidate here in a very similar manner to this previous fractal here. You can see obviously coming down, testing the high, testing the low, kind of forming a bit of a range there really. And you can see Verasity hasn't done exactly the same thing this time around. But really, you can see we were just consolidating here, a bit of an overextension, more consolidation again, and now we're coming back up again, still looking to break through this previous bull market support as resistance as support. Support as resistance. Oh my god, I can't get my words out today. You can see this was a previous area of support in the bull market that has become resistance here. Obviously, it is around the psychological level of 1 cent as well, which is a big target for profit takers like it was at the start of the year. You can see back here when we did a 5x off the lows, all the way up to around 1.1 cents. Basically came to the upside and essentially just had a massive instant pump, and then obviously taking profits at around $1 there. We came down, consolidated, back tested a large amount of this, market structure here. We didn't even get anywhere close back to that low there. Got down to just under 1/4 of a cent, and then obviously the breakout of that resistance that we'd formed here for the year, the breakout, the back test of the 100-day moving average there. We ran up to our Fibonacci level as always, sitting here at the 0.38 at around the, what is this we're looking at here, 1/8 and 1/6 of a cent. We tested this level multiple times, as you can see. A very, very clear Fibonacci level where we did get rejected. Obviously, when Bitcoin had that rollover a few days ago, we saw Verasity have a very, very large sell-off. It looked like a coordinated sell-off by a lot of whales, to be honest. There were some big sell orders going through instantaneously. So probably a little bit of selling from some high status and high bag holding Verasity holders. We came down and we back tested that 100-day EMA, which is where we got that massive bounce there, you can see. And then since then we've just been consolidating really, haven't we? You can see on the hourly time frame here, massive sell-off, instant sell-off, huge buyback instantly as well. So pretty clear there was probably a little bit of manipulation there in the markets for some large bag holders. And then since then you can see here just consolidating, forming a little bit of a resistance there, which did get broken, as you can see. Some people were saying this was kind of a descending wedge, but really it was just kind of consolidation. And now coming back up and trying to basically work our way back up to the upside at around a 7.5% right now. Verasity overall still looking good, isn't it? Still doing what it needs to do. I still have my technical target of 2 cents up here, which I think we'll head up towards pretty soon. That is just around a 2.5x from the current price. I think beyond that we're probably going to see Verasity doing very, very well in the future as well. But right now, as you can see, no fireworks at all yet. The best is yet to come. Right now Verasity is just doing what it needs to do, working its way up through these Fibonacci levels, slowly making those higher highs in this local area. As you can see, I think we'll come up and make a new high pretty soon, in my opinion. But right now Verasity is just, it's going through the motions, isn't it? It's going through those little ups and downs that you have pre-market, pre-bull market, and you're probably going to end up seeing something like this pretty soon, where you basically, you're working your way up slowly, and then all of a sudden you start to run and get those big pumps to the upside that you get for a lot of cryptos in the next bull market. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. Go and sign up to some of the stuff down below, by the way. There is a lot of free stuff down there. I've partnered up with a few different exchanges offering loads of benefits for signing up, so go and do that. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.